Good morning, children. Today we are going to study in this session handicrafts from South India. Handicrafts from South India are of different types. Now we are going to study some of the crafts from South India. Okay, you know that we consider South India from Karnataka. Some states names are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, Odisha, all come in South India, and we consider them, and their crafts are very beautiful, very gracious, very graceful. Okay, because you know that India is rich in cultures and crafts, well depicted, and its craft handicrafts. So, be it decorative pieces, jewelry for our clothes, the handicrafts are famous all over the world. It means not only we are famous for the crafts on on the clothes, but we are also famous all over the world for our different for our culture of different pieces and its best nominations. Okay, now let's move to the next. This one you can see, this is the Tanjore paintings from Tanjavur, that is from Tamil Nadu. You can see the next picture also. Here it is uh, Balakrishna's photo that is made in the Tanjore's painting. Next, this is Pallava stone craft from Mamallalpuram. This is also from Tamil Nadu, but it was made of stone. White stone. Stone carving is used to make this stone craft. Okay. Next, you can see the picture here also. Next one, that is Athangudi painted tiles from Chettinad, Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, people used to use this kind of tiles to decorate their homes or decorate their puja ghars. You can see one example here. Next, that is Athangudi painted tiles from Chettinad, Tamil Nadu, and these are very beautiful, and people generally use it. Sorry, it is Bidri craft from Andhra Pradesh, and you can see many examples of there. Next, this is gold jewelry from Kerala. You know, Kerala is known for its designs in gold. That's why you can see the picture here. Next picture is also given of gold jewelry. This is Kathakali doll making from Kerala. Kerala is, you know that Kathakali is the classical dance from Kerala, and just like that, people used to make the dolls of Kathakali, and it has been sold by the local sellers to the tourist of Kerala. You can also see the picture here. Next, that is it is Tanjore dolls from the Tanjavur, that is in Tamil Nadu. People generally buy this doll because it looks very nice, and it also vibrates from some of its sides, and you can see the picture here. Next one, that is Kathakali mask. This is very popular among all over the world. People generally wear this mask on some popular occasion or some harvest festivals, and people dances by wearing this mask, and it is also from Kerala. Next, that is pearl jewelry. It is pearl jewelry from Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. You can see you know that all over the world the pearl jewelry designs of India is famous, and most of the people of the foreign countries come here India to purchase the pearls design or pearl jewelries from Hyderabad. Next, that is Lak bangles. This is Lak bangles, that is also from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. They are very famous all over the world because of its designs. Next, that is bronze sculptures. You must have heard about bronze sculpture, that is Kathakali in the design, and It is also from Tamil Nadu, and it is generally comes from Trichy. Next, this is cotton palm leaf basketry. uh, this is very famous. You know that people, tourists come to Tamil Nadu, Chettinad, to buy this beautiful baskets made in different colors, so they are very famous. Next one, that is wood engraving from Karnataka. Karnataka is famous from its wood engraving parts. You can see the picture here, it is very beautiful, and generally people purchase this kind of name plates. They generally engrave their names on the wooden plates, so it is very famous. Next, that is bamboo mat painting from Kerala. It is from Kerala. People used to make by this the fans, and people make this soup. People make basket from bamboo in Kerala, so it is very famous. Next one, that is Kanjivaram silk weave. It is very famous. You know that from all over the world people purchase buy from internet the Kanjivaram silk sarees, and they are very famous. That's why they are very costly too. uh, Most of the elite class people purchase this kind of sarees, and south and all the people of South India are very big fan of Kanjivaram sarees. It is also from Tamil Nadu. Next one, that is sandalwood craft. It is from Karnataka, and it was made on sandalwood. So it is very important to know that sandalwood craft is very famous all over the world. Thank you.